Hi, it's Tom here from Roywood Transits. This is a quick walk around video, show you one of our latest vehicles we have in stock. So here we have, and for sale today, a Ford Transit Custom. This is a Sport Series L1H1, so short wheelbase, low roof. It's a 2.2 litre, 155 PS, 6-speed manual gearbox. Covered 61,300 miles, just over that. Deep impact blue and registered May 2015 and comes with Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty. Sport Series, so well spec'd inside and out. Straight away you can see the sports styling kit including the stripes, 18-inch alloy wheels, and also partial leather seats in the cab, so 3 in the front. This van has had 2 seats in the second row retro fitted, so 5 travel seats in total, and the second row seats fold flat and are removable. 2 lock for van hook locks, one on the side loading door, one on the barn doors on the back. This van is fitted with a rear view camera. It's got parking sensors front and rear. And in the back we have a partial ply lining kit fitted alongside some shelving units. I'll show you more in just a second. So body colour bumpers, you can see the body colour spoiler, door handles, door mirrors, Ford heated windscreen, automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers, so very well spec'd, and also lane keeping alert as well. Cornering fogs, as well as plenty more. So in the back of the van here you can see the 2 fold flat and removable seats. With the seats now removed, we can see into the back of the van, so being an L1 you get just under 2.5 metres of load length. We have a full metal bulkhead with a load through compartment, and we have partial ply lining as well as shelving units installed in the back. Rear barn doors also lock in a 90-degree position. Just push this yellow bar in and they also open up 180 degrees. Now into the cab. You can see the leather trim steering wheel and gear knob, as well as the partial leather dual passenger seat and single driver seat with 8-way adjustment including lumbar support. You get electric windows and power folding door mirrors, automatic headlights, automatic rain sensing wipers, voice activation and audible messaging when you've got your phone connected, cruise control with adjustable speed limiter. So here you can see, as we just confirmed the mileage, 61,323, the driver assist. So you've got traction control, you've got driver alert, hill start assist, time monitor and lane keeping alert. So different sensitivity and intensity. And down here we have the heated seat button, so push that and you've got the 2 heated seats. And then 6-speed manual gearbox connected to the 155 PS engine, so 3 pedals. And then you have your manual air conditioning, and just above that the Ford entertainment system, so FM, AM, DAB radio. Connect your phone, CD player, auxiliary, Bluetooth. And then up there is the LCD display screen. And then just above that you have the rear view mirror, which also displays the rear view camera. So in conclusion, and for sale today, here we have a Ford Transit Custom Sport Series L1H1, 5 travel seats. So in the second row we've got 2 fold flat removable travel seats alongside partial ply lining and shelving units. And then Sport Series, so very well spec'd, body colour spoiler, 18-inch alloy wheels alongside the heated seats in the cab, lane keeping alert, covered 61,300 miles. Registered May 2015 and comes with Roywood Transit 6 months no quibble warranty. If If you have any questions or would like to organise a viewing, please give us a call on 0118 9790 060. Thank you for watching.